What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have to say I'm super excited about this one because this is going to be a brand new React Native series. And once again, my name is Kelvin Sowa and I'm on a mission to help new developers understand how to build cross-platform mobile applications with React Native. In this series, we are going to take everything we learned in the React Native playlist and put it all into practice by building a movie app from scratch. And we'll be using React Native and Expo for this project. In this project, I'll walk you through how to think like a React Native developer. We'll learn how to plan, structure, and build real-world applications step by step. We'll fetch live movie data from TMDB API, create a clean and modern UI with reusable components, and add smooth animations using React Native Reanimated. You'll also learn how to build your own custom hooks to handle API calls, manage loading states, and pass parameters between screens. And we are not stopping there. We'll set up persistent authentication with Firebase so users can sign in and stay logged in even after they close the app. We'll also talk about clean code practices, modular designs, and how to make your app scalable as it grows. By the end of this series, you won't just have a beautiful movie app. You have the skills, confidence, and structure to build any kind of mobile app with React Native and Expo. Alright, at this point, let's have a quick look at what we'll be building. Okay, so this is the app and currently we're on the login screen. If you already have an account, you can simply enter your email and then your password and it's going to log you into your account. If you don't have an account already, you go to the create account screen where you can enter your credentials and then create your account. So like I mentioned, the authentication here is being handled with Firebase email password authentication. That's what we'll be using. So you can basically enter your email and then your password and it's going to create the account for you. And it also throws an error if the credentials that you are inputting is wrong, right? So let me just enter some dummy email here and anything at all. It's going to throw an error that's invalid email. So this is from Firebase. It's already handling the error messages for us. So we don't even have to handle it ourselves. And it's handling all the authentication logic also for us. So that's basically what is happening here. So since I've already created an account, I'm simply going to log into the account that I created, right? So I come back to the login screen and I'm going to enter my credentials. So I'm going to say Sowa Kelvin 640 at gmail.com. So that's my credentials. Enter the password and then we hit login. Good. So once you are logged in, this is the home page of the movie app. So you notice how the pictures and the cards animated in, they sort of faded in. Yeah, that is what is happening with the React Native Reanimated, so that the pictures doesn't just jump into the screen, right? Just flicker in. No, we want it to animate in. So that is why I'm using the React Native Reanimated here to sort of fade the pictures in when they are loaded. Okay, so this is what is happening. You have the cards here. You have this overview here with the movie tag, the title of the movie, and the year it was released and the genre of that particular movie. So all the information here is specific to the overview image that you are seeing here. And also you have the movie cards with its categories. You have the trending now here. And this movie data is being fetched from TMDB API. This is not like hard-coded values that we are placing there. This data is being fetched from the TMDB API. And when you press on any one of them, let's say I press on this movie like this, it's going to take me to the details screen of that particular movie. You get the title, the genre of the movie, and the overview, so the descriptive overview of this particular movie. And you also have this list of movies that you may also like here that you can scroll through. You can press any one of them and then it's going to take you to the details of that particular movie as well. Good. So that's the details screen. And like I said, we are fetching all this data from the TMDB API. And we have this continue watching here, which simply simulates you watching a movie that you are not done watching, right? So basically that's what, so you can see this scrubber here to show where you have watched up to. We are going to see how we can be able to do that in this build. So these are movies that you were watching that you are not done. So that's why it says continue watching over here. And then we have a list of new releases here too as well, and then international picks here as well. Okay, so this is it. And you notice that as you move around, the image on the overview doesn't stay the same. It changes to different images. yeah, it changes. So let's say I go to these details here like this, and then I come back. Notice that the movie that was here has changed. It doesn't stay on one movie. It keeps changing as you move around the app. It's not just static. Come here. This is the Fantastic Four. First step, get the overview. Come back, and then come back again, and then you realize the overview image has changed again. Good. Now when you come to the movies tab here too, you are going to see a list of movies, right? That's been fetched from the TMDB. You notice what happened here. When you put, it has a pull to refresh feature too. When you put, it's going to refresh and then fetch new data for you, a refreshed data for you with a new movie list that you can, go through them as you move. You have a whole lot of movie sets. And the TMDB database has, the TMDB movie API has a lot of movies that we can actually explore from. So you notice also how the movies are animating in, how they are fading in. Yes, so we'll be learning how to do that in this build as well. Come to the TV series too, same thing. The movies are loading, the images are loading in. As you can see here, you can also pull to refresh the data that you have in here as well. You learn how to do this in this build. So we are using the React Native flat list for this particular list that you are seeing here. You can basically press on it to go to the details of that particular movie. So this is actually a good app that you can even use for your own personal use. If you want to get new movie recommendations and get to know which movies are being released, or the latest movies, or the current trending movies, you can simply have this app and then visit it. If you want to watch a movie or something, just want a movie recommendation to watch, you can come on this app and explore the movies that are available. And you have your profile screen here as well. You have your profile screen here as well. You have your email and then your name, and then the profile image is also here. And you have this movie list yesterday, movies that you were exploring yesterday, and the movie that you're exploring on this particular date. So that is what you have here. That is what we have here. So basically, this is what we are going to be building. This is the app that we're going to be building in this series. You're going to learn a lot of things in this build, because we'll be touching on a lot of concepts in this particular mobile app that we are building. All right. Hopefully at this point you are very excited and motivated to start building this project. This is exactly what you'll be able to build by the end of this series. From fetching live data, to adding animations, to integrating authentication, step by step, all explained clearly. Now if you're excited as I am, do also hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button as well, and turn on post notifications so that you get notified anytime I upload a new episode for this particular series. Thank you so much for sticking this long, and catch you in the next episode.